this land where the power lives, where they devour kids and acts of cowardice rule from a tool of violence and a shrouded bliss. I try to release my malice and develop my inner peace in a place so callous. Maybe y'all go to Angola or the Gold Coast and blow smoke with the old folks, cause they know most.
Capture the cultured pearls, jewels and gems. It's a treasure hunt to stimulate your medulla stem. The furthest reaches are within your clutches. Concrete covered countries to the most verdant regions. Virgin territories, those exposed to man-made woes. They know them high roads, electrified with lectures. Collect respect and ride on, before you even notice I'm gone.
Go to Saigon, Singapore, Sicily. They consider me epitome in Italy.
Right.
Hit Libya, India, Morocco. I go to Oakland and hit the 8 Deuce block. No, Chicago, Liberia, Nigeria. Frisco's cold like Siberia. The list goes on. To Portugal and Spain, Maine, San Juan, Guam, or San Luis Obispo.
Go to the jungle, go to the city, visit Soweto, live in the Bay or somewhere in between. But you'll never be unseen. Go to the jungle, go to the city, visit Soweto, live in the Bay or somewhere in between. But you'll never be unseen.
I don't know, dog. Maybe it's just me, but I feel I'm clutching to hold nothing. I mean, bluffing. I got the poker face, I don't really know my place, and I never chose this way, so I go astray. Throwaways blow away. Every hope I hold today, we were sold a slave. The sky's cold and gray, my niggas showed the way. Self-analyst, and now with this, I see my golden age.
Time zone traveling, boundary crossing. Now we talking worldwide. Now we cost 'em. For show, partner, I'm a globetrotter. Down in shots, a ghost slugger, smoking like an old roster. I've flown lots of places intercontinental. Every spot we been to, we monumental. We rock the venue like we dropped a missile, but it ain't an attack. That's why the people keep on bringing us back. Feel that?
I didn't tap my belly, still I'm loving Machiavelli. Trying to reach the pinnacle, and we will, so be ready. Said we jetty, I never stolen energy. Combined with visionary minds, so we itching to blow. Like a dirty, hairy trigger finger with a Nina. Quicker than my Filipino homies on the 2 turntables. See the truth enables sight through your damaged cornea. We got the formula from Oakland, California.